go. We're back. Let's look for a train. And that's it.
보고 싶어라 그리운 그 얼굴 물로 그린 그림처럼 사라지네 보고 싶어라 오늘도 그 사람을 떠올리려 산책을 하네
We are at Incheon Airport in Korea, and there is tourist information here. There's a map for our train here, and all the other pamphlets are available also. From the arrivals, Airport Railroad is one level down. And we have a big sign.
And children should be accompanied by moms.
We are taking the express train into Seoul Station, the city hub. Airport Railroad Express. We'll go through. It's so beautiful.
It's just like Singapore.
Kind of like Singapore Changi Airport. Yes, this is Korea Incheon Airport. It's beautiful. Oh, I love this. This is beautiful.
Really?
We're in Korea. First thing we see is KFC over here.
Yeah, they have different items.
I'm sure. They have probably KFC with like kimchi, right?
I want to try. I want to try their McDonald's.
This is our connection from the airport to Seoul. We're going by express train. The Arex. It's clearly labeled over here. See? From here to Seoul, 43 minutes. This is the train. It's clearly labeled, and these are the kiosks. Next one is at 10:48. Oh, it's 10:48 now, 11:28. Okay, that's it. Clearly labeled. Let's go buy our tickets.
Please select your departure.
Okay, what time is it? 10:48. The next train is 11:28. Oh, 10:48 then. Select.
Please select the number of passengers
Over
and press the
13,
confirm
6 to
button.
12. So we're gonna need 3. That's the 3 of us. And then, let's see. Confirm. You have 3.
Please select your purchase method.
Okay. Number of passengers. Select 5, 2, 5, B, C, and D. That's fine. And then purchase a ticket. And 330001. So it says insert bills here, or let's see if we can use a credit card. Okay, let's try the credit card. I'll try my credit card, and let's do the chip.
We have half an hour to spare.
Yes. Woohoo! It worked. Okay. Okay.
The boarding pass has been printed.
And then issue a receipt.
If you want the receipt,
Yes,
please
I want a
press
receipt.
print receipt.
Okay, and this is 33,000 won, and those are my tickets. So pick up the tickets, and that's it. We have to wait. The difference between all stops, which is the local train, or the express train, but for safety reasons, we rather do the express trains. They tell you all the stops. Right here, there's a map right in front, so just look. Now let's see if I can purchase another T-Money card. Express train here, see? There's, look, there's a brochure. And this is the map. So you see my express train takes you from either Terminal 1 or 2 at the airport, and it doesn't stop at all, goes all the way to Seoul Station. Now if you want to choose the local trains, they have all the different stops. depending on if that's convenient for you. So we are here waiting for the Express Arex train, which is the 3 orange tickets. They automatically issued seats next to each other from Incheon to Seoul Station, which is where the orange is. You could see the orange reading. That's where you buy your tickets, and that's where you'll enter. Or when you come back, this is where we'll come back. We'll go to Seoul Station and then come back express train right here into the hub, into the airport. So it basically says you can enter the gate between 3 to 30 minutes before departure time, which is fine because it's very air conditioned and cool and comfortable in here. That's the blue is the local trains. So we want to stay in the air conditioning as long as possible because you can feel the heat coming through from the train station. There is no air conditioning on the station platforms there. Incheon Airport, this is the lower level. That is local. The blue Arex is local trains to Seoul Station. That's one of the final stops. But we're opting for express train, which is the orange, which is one stop. We have assigned seats, which is great. Just waiting for 30 minutes prior, we can enter those gates.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go. Can you hold on to my ticket? Oh, you can buy the money pass there. The Wow Pass and T-Money card here. Exit the gates, go down one level, and the train should be here. And then we are at the Express, that's local. And this is Express, and this is car number 3, car number 4. We have to go to car number 5. We are at car number 5 over here, and we are just going to wait. If you look at the sign, number 1, we are at car number 5, and they have the seat numbers 1 through 6, A through D, and in the back over here is 7 to 13, and then car number 6. So everyone has their own entrance. They have one here, 2 towards the center, and then the seat number 7 through 18 in the back. So this is so highly organized that no one is clustered up and not knowing where they sit. So clean in here. Except that it is quite warm. The air conditioning is not working here. There is no air conditioning. Plenty of seating all over. And then there's no need to fight for seats since the seats are assigned. Very peaceful, very clean. Hi everyone, we are at Incheon Airport, and this is the link to the Arex Express Train. As you can see, the ticket machine is self-explanatory, accepts cash and credit card, but make sure your credit card does not charge you a foreign transaction fee. Otherwise, my MasterCard would charge me 3%. Certain travel cards that I have do not charge that, so I'm using that throughout my entire trip. If you are unsure, the minute you take your elevator or escalator down, it's clearly marked. Your express train is the orange line, which is located right behind me. It's clearly labeled. On the other side is the blue line, which is local. There's 2 train tracks, one express, one local. You can't get it wrong. It's one elevator, escalator down to the same spot. So, and here behind me, posted, is the entire train schedule. At 10 o'clock, there's 2 trains for 8 minutes after 10 or 10:48. So your train, you have an option of what train you would like to choose. So when you purchase your tickets, you specify that. Look at the time and see if you need more time or you need the next train immediately. Also, right here, we have labeled, I am in the 5th car according to my ticket. It just auto assigns you. And I'm here with my children, so we have 3 adjoining seats. So they're telling me I am on the 5th car. The cars are for the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th, all the way down to the 6th. It's clearly labeled with signs on the top corner, as you can see on the top here. On the top left-hand corner, it clearly shows you're in car number 5. So you just walk accordingly, or if you don't want to, you can wait till the last minute since everything's assigned. The seats are assigned. And also, even the entrance and exits, there are about 4 entrances and exits per train car. So if you're in the middle, you would definitely, it specifically tells you. We are in row number 2, so obviously we are right at the front of car number 5. That's why I'm on the 1st entrance. But it says here from 1 to 6, row 1 to 6. If you're in 7 beyond, you take the next exit. So that way not everybody is clustered in there and then fighting each other to crisscross across. Highly organized, plenty of seats here. Very, it's hot here. That's the only thing. There's no air conditioning on the platform here. So if you don't like the heat, you can stay upstairs. Wait, the earliest you can enter the train tracks here is within half hour. You cannot loiter here earlier. So earliest you can, your eager beaver, come down, the earliest is 30 minutes. Now upstairs, there's 2 machines that you can buy your T-Money card, which is for the local trains. We'll worry about that when we go to Seoul Station, because Seoul Station is one of the major hubs. It's like in New York, one of our Penn Station. It's a major hub where you can have the locals trains, the local metro, or you also have long distance metro, which is like different train systems. Just like for us in New York, some are for the suburbs. For the express train, it's Terminal 2 is the first station, the final stop. Then it goes to Terminal 1 and picks up more passengers, and then it goes to Seoul Station. That's it. That's the express. That's the orange train. That's ours. Clearly labeled Arex Express. Arex Express. It says mind the gap. Oh, it's empty. That's good.
Always might be in the front.
We're road 2, so which is good. Ooh, there's nobody here. Okay, that's good. Let's leave our stuff here. All right, guys, we gotta leave it here. Oh my gosh. Those are yours. So as soon as you enter, all your heavy luggage is stowed away in a corner. And then if you have lighter luggage or bags, you can put it up top, above your head. The seating arrangement, 2A is the window seat, 2B is the aisle seat. So there's no need to figure out what. This is what the seat looks like. Okay. Behind every seat are directions on how you transfer. to the subway.
이 열차는
Self-explanatory.
이용에 참고하시기 바랍니다.
Restroom is on car number 4.
トイレは4号車にございます。
That's Japanese. They have instructions and advice in Japanese too. So this is what we have to do. You exit through the gate, and then you pick up your transportation card or T-money card, and then you go on line number 1 or 4.
Please call the train driver using the emergency intercom. You can also use the fire extinguishers provided in each car to put out the fire.
잠시 후 온라인에서 교통카드를 사전 구매하신 고객에게 교통카드를 제공할 예정입니다. 현장에서 교통카드 구매를 원하시는 고객께서는 승무원에게 문의하여 주시기 바랍니다.
In a moment, we will provide T-money card to customers who pre-purchased it online. If you want to purchase on-site, please contact the staff.
稍后将为在网上预购 T-money 卡的顾客提供 T-money 卡。想要现场购买的顾客，请咨询职員。
That's
まも
manual.
なく T-money カードを事前にオンライン購入されたお客様に T-money カードを提供いたします。
There's
車内購
English,
入をご希望のお
Mandarin,
客様は
Japanese.
乗務員にお問い合わせください。
On top, there's safety videos. It shows what happens if there's a fire between using the fire extinguisher, making announcements, and escaping. So it's self-explanatory based on the visual video provided. So as soon as you exit the at Seoul Station from the Express Arex train, you have a sign for the KTX or line 1 or line 4. So those are the trains that you can switch to. Very easy, you just take the escalator up. We are at Seoul Station, and so we are taking 2 escalators up to the local trains. Everybody's staying on one side, on the right side, and for anybody who wishes to walk up and cut through everybody. So stay on the right. So we are going on line 1, but we have to buy tickets now. So let's look for a ticket machine.